அருட்பெருஞ்சோதி வணக்கம். சொல்லட்டுடா சொல்லட்டுடா, சிலம்பக்கோலை சொல்லட்டுடா, கால்கள் நிலை பிடித்து வீடு கட்டி சொல்லட்டுடா, மலையகத்து மண்ணிலே நிலக்கலக்கி ஆட்டமடா, தமிழரின் தன்மானம் காத்த பூர்வீக கலையடா. So I take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anbanandan Ramasamy and I was born in Penang. In the martial art world, they call me Master Anba. So now I will introduce a small script on Selambam history. Selambam originated from the Kurunji land, Tamil Nadu, and the founder is Lord Murugan and his disciple Agasthyar Munivar. And to his credit, he wrote 2 books. One is Agasthyar Kambusutram, and number 2 is Agasthyar Varma Sutram. So Selambam is not only a martial art, but is a therapeutic of healthy living. So the training and fundamental technical terms will proceed a period of 7 years of training, and this is a very old form of martial art which is not modernized. It's actually 100% authentic way of training. So myself, during the British rule in 1936, an Asan from Tamil Nadu, Madurai, came to Penang, and I got entangled with him and became a disciple. In 1962, I was learning. I was under him, and it took me about 15 years to train this Nilakalaki Selambam. So I got 60 years of experience in Nilakalaki Selambam and other 6 disciplines in the Tamil martial art. The beginning and the first step in Nilakalaki Selambam is Bhumi Vanakkam, respect to the Mother Nature. Second, salutation to the sun and paying tribute to the late Asan or Guru, we call it Ida. The third, giving respect to the present Asan or Guru when you become the student or the disciple, we call Guru. Praying to the Almighty for the grace and blessing be upon you always, we call Devam, God. These are the 4 principles a student have to adapt and follow during his Selambam training, where in his lifetime must remember the mother, father, guru and God. I'll move on with the fundamental exercise with Ottavicci. Ottavicci is the basic first exercise in the Nilakalaki Selambam. So the thing is, you got to hold the stick on the right hand side with the duration of twirling method, which you hold the stick, the right hand on the top of the stick, and then with the measurement of your elbow. So you will be doing a rotation of 1 on the 360 degrees, following to the front and then to the left, 1 stroke on the left. So you will be twirling 1 on the left, 1 on the right. So it will be a movement of clockwise. It is clockwise. It is clockwise, and then the left side will be anti-clockwise. So this movement, when you do this movement, and then you will place your left leg with the forward moving. So move forward and then backward. Once you move forward, and your heel should be embedded on the ground, and the movement, the heel movement will be the first one. The second is when you backwards. When you move backwards, and then your toes, you got to place the 5 fingers on the toes on the ground and then move backwards. So when you do this, the circulation of the blood will be activated. At the same time, your lungs will stretch. So the elbow will be going backwards to the front, and then the left elbow will move to the back. So in this way, you will get a full balance of the body. At the same time, your cardiovascular will be system will be moved, will be stimulated and activated you at least a movement of 5 minutes. Okay, the second one will be the male Vici, and it starts from anti-clockwise to clockwise. Okay, so from that will strengthen the whole hand and the shoulder blade and the neck muscle. So this is to gaining, the exercise will gain you. At the same time, you will be strong position. You will be in the strong position to evade the opponent striking or movements. So in this way, you will be getting the technical terms in a right way. The movement will be okay, and then your stance should be perfect, and all this, the blocking method also will be very accurate. Okay, the third one will be Rete Vici. Rete Vici is a type of flow on the movement basis in a semicircle way. In a semicircle way, you move forward and backward, and that is what is it? The stick will follow you around. So on the left and right, so there will be 8 strokes around you. So at the same time, the vision of the eye should be on the stick, and while you are moving, the eye will be viewing that, and at the same time, the movement should be in agile movement, and then your hip, your leg, and then the pelvic joints, all this will be, you will gain flexibility throughout the exercise. Though this, you got to play at least for 10 minutes. On the 10 minutes in the beginning, then you move on to about 1 hour or 2 hours. So in this way, you at least your health will be very you'll be very healthy, and then at the same time, consuming of food also an important thing. So abstain from alcohol and smoking. That's very important in Nilai Kalaki Selambau. This fundamental method have basic, intermediate, and advanced level. So what I've already tell you and show in this video is only a very basic method of exercise. Okay. Putarkan kayu sepanjang hayat, kuda-kuda lengkap putaran berpenjuru. Bumi Malaysia Nilai Kalaki bersilat, seni asli Tamiler berkubu. So I take this opportunity to call upon every youth and girls, those who are interested can join us. So this is the above address and our phone number. Thank you very much. Nandri, Vanakkam, Terima kasih.